Trophy for 24-25, day 1, session 1, it's Delhi versus Railways, and we are coming to you live from the Arun Jaitley Stadium. Well, the crowd is building in huge numbers. There are the two teams. Anchit Yadav, Vivek Singh, keep an eye on him. Mohammad Saif, the left-hander. Suraj Ahuja, the skipper, he was there a little while earlier at the toss. Upendra Yadav.
खुद को देशभक्त कहते हो, न सूली पे चढ़े हो, न सरहद पर खड़े हो, न देश का इतिहास पता है, न खुद का फ्यूचर.
They'll have their work cut out for sure. Karan Sharma, we'll see him in action as well. And on the other hand, take a look at that at number 4, Virat Kohli, the king. He's back on the park and where he really belongs. 12 huge numbers today. That's the first delivery, and we are off and away. Coming in, gets off the mark straight away with a couple of runs. The Railways will really be looking to get a good.
फास्ट बॉलर्स को इस पिच पे अच्छी खासी घास आज सुबह देखने को मिल रही. तो इस गेम में पहली इनिंग में रेलवे के ऊपर हावी जरूर हो सकते हैं.
Well, Rajat, you're talking about Virat Kohli, and it's taken him 12 years. These guys have been out there from 4. Acknowledge them and thank them perhaps for coming.
जी हाँ, यहाँ पे गैप मिला, बॉल को दिशा दिखाई और पहला चौका आता हुआ रेलवे के खाते में.
Well, yes, first glimpses of how good a pitch this is. I was there a little while earlier in the morning and I took a look at it. It's nicely rolled in. The grass is fresh, but there was not really too much moisture underneath that surface as well. So that grass will really... Oh, but there goes the finger. Nanda Kishore points heavenwards. Breakthrough for Delhi. And Railways have been pushed back.
जी हाँ, सही जगह पे अगर आप गेंदबाजी करेंगे तो उसके नतीजे भी आपके लिए बिल्कुल सही रहेंगे. यहाँ पे जो चौका उन्होंने खाया था वो गेंद बिल्कुल बल्ले के नीचे थी, पर ये वाला गेंद उसमें लेंथ खींचा, लाइन सही रखी और पड़ने के बाद गेंद जितना अंदर आया उतना काफी था अंपायर को कन्विंस करने के लिए. यही तो खास बात है और यही तो चाहिए. इसीलिए तो आपने टॉस जीत के पहले गेंदबाजी ली है. पहली विकेट रेलवे की गिरती हुई. अंचित यादव 7 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए.
Got really no man's land. New man in. Suraj Yadav, all of 25 years. We'll get 4 for that. Fortuitous, but runs are runs wherever they come.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल, और हताश भी नहीं होना चाहिए. ये गेंद अच्छी थी, बल्लेबाज कंफर्टेबल दिखा नहीं. जहां मारना चाहता था वहां गेंद नहीं गई, पर जहां गई वहां गैप दिखता हुआ. थोड़ा बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल जरूर फील होना चाहिए और यहाँ पे शायद यही कोशिश रहेगी दोनों गेंदबाज की, सैनी और सिद्धांत.
Play and a miss outside their off stump. There are 3 slips waiting for that proverbial edge, which is eluding Navdeep Saini at the moment. Lucky to survive is Suraj Ahuja.
पिच में आपको एक अच्छा बाउंस देखने को मिला है और मैं ये बात पिछले 3 साल की वो जो चेंज है उस इसलिए बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि ज़्यादातर ये पिच दिल्ली की बारी में खेलने वाला है. हो सकता है आपको सम्राट कोहली का वो विराट रूप भी दिखे.
I was just trying to get to that question before you...
और ये उस तरीके के खिलाड़ी हैं कि ये जब भी आप इनको खेलते हुए देखेंगे, और मैंने देखा है कि आप पहले इनके आंकड़ों पे नजर डालिए. 258 इनिंग, 11,000 से ऊपर रन.
Look, shot put away. He'll get 4 for that. And apart from the boundary, will also give him a huge amount of confidence as well.
जी हाँ, ये खराब गेंद. मुझे लगता है इससे पहले जो चौका आया था उसके आसपास ही आपको अपनी गेंद को रखना चाहिए क्योंकि आपके पास उतनी गति नहीं.
In the air, there is a fielder straight down his throat. Wicket number 2 for Railways goes down. The short delivery working this time for Sandeep Sharma, and Delhi have been vindicated with the decision to field first.
अंपायर देखना चाहेगा क्या आपने नो बॉल तो नहीं डाली है. शॉर्ट गेंदबाज
to Railways, and that's exactly what Delhi was hoping. And he cleans him up. Navdeep Saini coming from round the wicket gets rid of the opener. That's the 3rd wicket gone. And Vivek goes without scoring runs after facing 14 deliveries. And the Delhi team is delighted. Why not? That's gone past the inside edge of the bat and in the gap between the pad and bat. Alongside me is Paul Veltati. Morning, Paul. You already taken up a wicket.
धन्यवाद रमन भाई, कमाल का स्वागत। और नवदीप सैनी ने उम्दा गेंदबाजी का प्रदर्शन। विवेक सिंह बिना खाते खोले लौटेंगे।
Instead of using the term semi-defensive, I would rather say sensible fields at this.
बिल्कुल, और कसी हुई गेंदबाजी चल रही है यहाँ पर, सटीक लाइन। अमूमन हम प्रथम श्रेणी क्रिकेट में ऐसे ह्यूज क्राउड्स देखते हैं, बट यहाँ पर
Off the edge, that will run away to the boundary. A welcome boundary for Railways. They needed some release because the bowlers were right on top. Yes, it is not convincing enough, but still a boundary provides a bit of extra confidence.
और अच्छी बात यह है कि सैफ ने यहाँ पर ठोस हाथों से नहीं खेला, गेंद को आने दिया और बिल्कुल जो संपर्क
Through the pre-game routines, and it was wholesome, wholehearted participation from a man who's so accomplished as Virat Kohli. He's achieved just about almost reaching out and stroking it beautifully into the gap. Multiple runs, Villacru. In fact, the ball will be stopped by Ayush Badoni.
का उदाहरण देते हुए 2 रन जरूर यहाँ पर बचाते हुए टीम दिल्ली के लिए।
Straying onto the pads, nicely put away. Boundary for Upendra Yadav. Rare loose delivery from Navdeep Saini.
और ये करना होगा, अब समय इन्होंने व्यतीत किया इस पिच पर। खराब लाइन, ज़्यादा जोर से मारने की कोशिश नहीं थी, केवल
Now to come in and take a look at their hero. And how well he's blended with these Delhi boys. He's kind of with ease, he's segued his way into this team, hasn't he? I mean, he looks part of them. The boys looked really happy this morning when they were limbering up. The crowd, there's crowd coming in. This is not right. Virat Kohli, he is the GOAT and he's the hero in this neck of the woods. There will be a little fanfare, not the greatest of events, but we'll just get back to the cricket. In the air and gone! Absolute ripper! What a good catch in the end by the wicketkeeper. Or the third umpire in this case is taking another closer look. It's the first landing that matters, and the first landing, something either raised or grounded, needs to be behind that inner line of the popping crease, which it is in my opinion. But who am I? It's the third umpire's decision that really matters. Well, they seem to be confident about it. That's the he's called it a no ball for Delhi, and fortunately for Saif and the Railways, he lives to see another day.
अब देखिए, यही गेंद अगर आप छोड़ते रहेंगे तो आपकी आइज भी सेट होती चली जाएंगी। जिस गेंद पे वो जो एज लगा, जो नो बॉल करार दी गई, उस पे मुझे लग रहा है कि आपको वो जो लालच है ना, उसमें
Take a look at his name. What a shot this is, and the man at second slip will be proud of that. The batsman just stands there, admires that shot and says, go fetch that, mate. That's the end of the over, and time for drinks as well. Railways put into bat, 40 for 3.
खेलना है। लाजवाब स्ट्रोक, गैप में बॉल को खेल दीजिए, गेंद बाउंड्री के बाहर ही दिखेगा।
Well, yes, that's exactly what I was talking about. That nice positive movement forward, the left foot, the right foot coming out in the center of the bat. A treat to watch. Just caress that ball in that vacant area between mid-off and cover. There is a yawning gap there, and he found it. He's looking really how buoyant the team had become once Virat Kohli came in. We've seen him with the BCCI logo on his sweater but take a look at that logo there.
करना पड़ता है.
On the bounce to the wicketkeeper, beats him. Will be 4 byes. The first signs that the pitch is doing something other than the script. End of the over, but they give domestic cricket, and it's so heartening to see.
करते हुए आया है या फिर खेलता हुआ आया है, तो फिर आपको बहुत कुछ उससे सीखने का मिलता है. और कुछ ऐसे क्रिकेटर्स रहे हैं जिन्होंने अपनी स्टेट के लिए उस तरीके के एग्जाम्पल को सेट किया है. चाहे आप बात सचिन तेंदुलकर की कर लीजिए, वो जब भी उन्होंने भी ये श्योर किया कि जब भी उनको चांस मिले वो भी खेलेंगे.
Well, I think you picked the right name, Sachin Tendulkar. I think Bombay or Mumbai now, as it's called, actually show the way to the rest of the.
Stylishly played through the onside. Nicely timed, and he's found the gap as well. Superbly played by Saif for another boundary.
और इसी के तो हम बात कर रहे थे, रन बनाने की मंशा साफ दिखाया यहाँ पर सैफ ने. अंदर लाने की कोशिश थी, हाफ वॉली ने पाले में गेंद को पाया और बखूबी हाई फ्रंट एल्बो, कमाल का ऑन ड्राइव.
Driven into the gap, and he will find the boundary. Kaif plays this, drives through the offside really well. And this was, beg your pardon, Saif. And it's taken on the full and driven into the gap.
और यहाँ पर तो फुल टॉस ही कर दिया ग्रेवाल ने. जब खराब गेंद अपने पाले में पाया, सैफ ने उस मंशा को साफ किया और इस बार कवर्स और मिड ऑफ के क्षेत्र के बीच चौकर मिला है.
And has it got the edge? Yes. Nand Kishore says yes. And Grewal, as his man, conceded a boundary and then produced the beauty of the next one to find the outside edge. The wicket they were looking for, the Delhi side, and they have got it.
बिल्कुल एक्शन रिप्ले. इस बार क्रीज के बाहर से आए, एंगल किया, नो बॉल जरूर चेक किया जाएगा और पहला लैंडिंग हमेशा क्रूशियल रहता है के लिए. और यहाँ पर नंद किशोर अंपायर का निर्णय आउट. सैफ को चलना होगा यहाँ पर.
At 33, it was a no ball. At 66, it's a fair delivery. Grewal has his first wicket against his name in this innings, and that's the end of Saif, who is looking good, and he's been dismissed with 24 or 54.